Do your hands or feet often tingle, burn, or feel numb? You might be dealing with nerve damage. The good news? Your body can repair nerves naturally. In today's video, I'll show you 7 powerful ways to support nerve healing without expensive treatments. 1. Add more B vitamins. Vitamin B1, B6, and B12 are essential for nerve health. They help regenerate damaged nerves and reduce inflammation. Try foods like eggs, leafy greens, whole grains, or a quality B complex supplement. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help rebuild the myelin sheath, the protective layer around nerves. Include walnuts, flax seeds, or fatty fish like salmon in your diet. 3. Regular movement and exercise. Gentle yoga, stretching, or walking improves blood flow to the nerves, promoting repair. Even 20 minutes daily can make a big difference. 4. Alpha-lipoic acid. This powerful antioxidant has been shown to ease nerve pain, especially in diabetics. Ask your doctor if it's right for you. 5. Cut sugar and processed foods. Sugar damages nerves over time. Switch to whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and avoid sodas and packaged snacks. 6. Stay hydrated. Dehydration weakens nerve signals. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily to support your body's healing process. 7. Get enough sleep. Nerves heal best when you're resting. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep to promote regeneration. Remember, healing nerve damage takes time, but it's possible, naturally. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs hope.